And coincidentally, a compensation hearing is taking place today in Seoul, brought by a state-run health agency against the nation's large tobacco companies. Given the timing, all eyes are on how this $52 million lawsuit will unfold. Our Shin Se-min has more.
The trial of the National Health Insurance Service versus the nation's largest tobacco manufacturers begins this afternoon, one day after the government announced plans to nearly double cigarette prices starting next year. The public organization is seeking compensation from KT&G Corporation, Philip Morris Korea, and British American Tobacco Korea to recover medical costs incurred due to what the agency claims are tobacco-related disease such as lung cancer. The organization is confident they can prove the causal relationship between smoking and the illnesses using 19 years of medical records in its database. The agency says the data will prove that the occurrence of cancer in smokers is much higher than in non-smokers. It also aims to show that the tobacco companies violated laws in failing to fully explain the addictive and hazardous chemicals that are present in their products. The tobacco companies in defense are expected to argue that they can't be held responsible for the choices of individuals to smoke or not smoke, and that they have done what was legally required of them to warn the public about the dangers of smoking. It's a $52 million lawsuit that could open the floodgates for similar suits if the National Health Insurance Service wins. It would also signify a rare loss for Big Tobacco, which successfully defended itself earlier this year against 7 individual plaintiffs who were seeking compensation over claims that will resemble the ones in this trial. The public agency, however, feels that its case is much stronger. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.